Today, we are going to show you how to create character consistency. During project creation, or anytime after your first storyboard has been generated, you can edit your characters whenever you need. Inside the character editor, you can adjust the visual description of your character. Once you have made changes, click Retry to generate a new preview. If you're happy with the result, simply save it. Back in the storyboard view, make sure to click Retry beneath any shot where that character appears. This regenerates the image with your updated character design. It's important that the character's name is actually mentioned in the shot description. If it's missing, just type it in manually and then refresh the shot. In the character editor, you also have two generation modes, based on description reference and based on image reference. Using description reference focuses more on your written description, which means the result may vary slightly from the preview. Choosing image reference relies heavily on the preview image itself, ensuring maximum consistency in your final shots. You can also upload your own reference image and use it as the visual base for the character. Adding a simple written description can help, but it doesn't need to be very detailed. After setting everything up, save your character, return to your storyboard, hit Retry, and enjoy seeing your updated character appear across your shots.